This is a poem by Spike Milligan. I must go down to the sea again, to the lonely sea and the sky. I left my shoes and socks there. I wonder if they're dry. I'm now going to click onto this icon and you will see this appear. You can see I've entered the following message. Write this poem in the style of William Shakespeare. You then click on Generate. Copilot then tells you it's creating a draft and working on it. Copilot, with the assistance of AI, has generated this text. You then click on Keep It. The text reads, I must descend unto thy briny deep once more, where solitude reigns neath heaven's azure dome. Mine slippers and stockings forsaken on the shore, pray tell, doth they yet in dryness roam? If I'm honest, I'm not quite sure what to make of that, but after all, I'm an engineer, not a poet. This somewhat contrived example was simply used to show us how we can click onto this icon to action Copilot to perform the task that you've just observed. I'm now going to action Copilot by clicking onto this icon. And when I do so, you can see that this side panel appears. I will now enter a message into this area, and you can see that it says generate an image to reflect the text of this poem. You then click here and wait for Copilot to respond. After a short period, you can see that the designer aspect of Copilot has generated 4 images for us to choose from. I've decided to select this one and then I will click on Insert and you can see the image appearing here in the document. I've closed down the side panel and scrolled down the document so we can clearly see the image that was created. I'll just zoom in so we can look at some of the details of the image. Well, if we consider the poem, the lonely sea and sky, we left our shoes and socks there. I wonder if they're dry. So it is a reasonable reflection of the poem written by Spike Milligan. This video has shown how we can invoke Copilot by clicking on this icon and also this icon, and you can see they've been used for different purposes.